Oh, in terms of last piece of advice, I mean, I'd say the same thing as Tracy, which is like community is so important. Um, and I guess if I was to add on to that, just yeah,
Go
start
for it.
something small. Like
Mhm.
do something you can make within a couple of months and just get a win under your belt
Yeah.
because having that win is going to give you momentum to want to do the next thing. People, are always asking, how do I motivate myself to do something? My partner and I are like trying to campaign to replace the word motivation with momentum,
Hmm.
where instead of getting the motivation to do something, you need the momentum to do something. And the only way to get momentum is to start moving. So just make something small and have fun with it.
That
Yeah.
works.
Yeah, I like that. That's a good advice. Momentum instead of motivation, because if you've got some self-esteem like pulling you along, that goes a long way. So,
Yeah. Little wins
hmm,
like pull me all the way through the week. It's great. Just
yeah.
I did the dishes. Yes, awesome. I'm
I have
gonna
check marks for
Same here.
those. They give me a boost every time I check something off.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
having
putting
yes,
pants is on
having
that list, so
hmm. Yeah, everybody has a different way of doing it. Like I know some people bullet journal and things like that, but yeah, having a list where you can cross things off. Like I have reminders on my phone, and sometimes, and when I delete one because I've got something done, like it feels good.
yes.
Yes.